In front of me, I have one of the most spectacular Colt prototypes in terms of not only condition, but rarity. This Colt government model pistol, to the untrained eye from a distance, looks pretty normal. But upon closer inspection, you can see it has this little cartridge indicating mechanism. So when a round is loaded into the chamber, that sticks out, it protrudes. And this was an engineering concept gun made with a feature that would have been basically an enhanced safety feature, something that they were looking at for possibly the commercial market. A patent hasn't been located for who actually designed this, but it is the only one we know of, and this example is right out of the Connecticut State Library collection. It's identified with an inventory number and everything. And for many of you viewers watching, you're familiar with the Connecticut State Library collection. It had some of the best guns right out of Colt's back room, and this is one of them. And if you look at the condition of it, it looks like new, because it basically is like new. It was manufactured in 1920. It's an excellent plus condition gun with 98% blue left on it. Just unreal. It is untouched. It doesn't have a VP proof on the side of the trigger guard bow like you would typically see on a commercially sold government model, because this thing never was commercially sold. It never left Colt's back room besides going to the Connecticut State Library Museum, and then would have later been sold off out of the collection when the whole lot was sold. And here it is on the market today. This is as rare as it gets in terms of Colt government model collecting, and as good as it gets in terms of condition. If you're a high condition Colt collector, a Colt government model collector, or just a Colt 1911 collector, or a prototype collector, this is something you have to have in your collection. This is available in our August premiere sale.